Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. If you're newcomer on Install Mania YouTube channel or Facebook page, please subscribe my YouTube channel or Facebook page. So in this video, I will show you how to install Capcut desktop version on Windows 11 PC. Capcut is the most popular mobile-based video editing software, but they have also desktop version. So in this tutorial I will show you how to install CapCut desktop version on Windows 11 PC. So first of all, I open my browser and I search on Google CapCut for desktop, and I hit enter, and I find a page, that CapCut official page. So I click on it, and it is showing the download button. So I see there are many features of this CapCut. They also include AI power and many other features. So I click on download for free button. CapCut installer already downloaded. So I minimize my browser and double click on CapCut installer. It asks me permission. I click on a yes. Then CapCut installation is starting now. It will take few minutes to install. I will wait for it. So download is completed. I open CapCut desktop version. First of all, it tests my computer configuration. After that, it load their UI. It show me your desktop can run CapCut smoothly. So I click on confirm button, and then I click on agree and continue button. So it asks me some feedback, that how where I can use it. I use it personal use. So I click on next, and how did you hear the CapCut? I click on search engine, click on next. Where do you plan to share your creation? I click on TikTok. And what kind of video do you create CapCut? Mainly I will making some video tutorial. So I click on videos following a trend. I click on start and creating. So this is the main visualization or dashboard of CapCut. So I simply create on project. So it show me. So this is the main interface of the CapCut desktop version. So I close it now because I just show you how to install it. So that was my video. In this tutorial, I was showing you how to install Capcut desktop version on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.